How tall do you think that is? Very tall.
Can we find its height without climbing it?
How?
First, we need to learn how to look. The angle between the horizontal line and your line of sight upward is called the angle of elevation.
Oh, I see it now.
Exactly, that's the key concept.
So this little angle can help us find the height?
Exactly. But tomorrow, I'll show you what that angle really tells us.
I understand. The angle of elevation is simply the angle I make when I look up.
Not quite. The angle starts from the horizontal, then it rises to the object.
Oh, I see it now.
Exactly, that's the angle of elevation.
So the horizontal line is our starting point?
Exactly. Now I see it. Maya, here's a small clinometer, because tomorrow we're going to measure the angle.
Wait, we can actually measure it?
Yes, tomorrow's the big day.
I've got it!
What is it?
35 degrees. See? That's the angle to the top of the flagpole.
What does 35 degrees tell us? The height? No. It tells us how steeply we're looking upward from the horizontal.
So the closer we are, the steeper we look?
Usually, yes, when the object's height stays the same.
Like the flagpole?
Exactly, a perfect example. Now we have a distance and an angle. Can we find the height? We know the adjacent side, 20 meters.
And we want the opposite side, the height. So katoa.
Which one connects opposite and adjacent?
Tangenta.
So with calculations, the height becomes approximately 14 meters.
Oh, I see now. That's cool. We just found its height without climbing it?
That's mathematics. But there's one thing we forgot.
What?
You said the height was 14 meters.
14 meters from where? It's 14 meters from the base of the triangle, not the ground.
Oh, I see now.
The triangle started at your eye level, not the ground.
So the total height is 14 meters plus 1.5 meters equal to 15.5 meters?
Exactly.
So even the observer matters.
Always. Now let's move,
Why?
because the angle is about to change. Let's go.
$55 degrees. 35 degrees. $20 degrees.
The farther we move away, the smaller the angle.
Exactly. And now you know what an angle of elevation really means.
Sometimes, to measure how high something is, you don't need to reach it. You just need to know how to look.